What's up everybody, it's Rob here from the Basement Bike Shop, and in this video I'm going to show you how to true rims or straighten rims without a truing stand. What you will need is a spoke wrench, a zip tie, something to cut the zip tie with, and then your bike, or at least the fork. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is flip our bike upside down and then remove the front wheel so that we can remove the tire. Now you can true your wheels if it's just a little bit of a straightening with the tire on it, as long as you have double walled rims. But to really be accurate with the straightening and getting the hop out, I recommend taking the tire off. Now if you need help with this, I have a tire removal and installation video that you can watch. There'll be a link on the screen now, or I'll put a link in the description. After we get the tire off, we're going to put the rim back on the bike. And then I'm going to take a zip tie and put it on the fork. Pull it fairly tight because we don't want it to slip too much, but we still want to be able to move it around. Now I'm going to move it directly under the rim and cut it a little bit longer so that I can put it under the rim to check the hop. And then I'll just put it at an angle when I'm straightening it, and I can adjust it in and out to get the rim as straight as I possibly can. And then to adjust the hop, I just move the zip tie down and put it underneath the rim and adjust it that way. Now I know most truing stands have two sides to it, but if you watch my truing video, you know that I only use one side. And the key to doing this is to pull your wheel out every few minutes and turn it around, just to make sure that you're truing it to the center. As long as your wheels are centered, which most BMX bikes are. And then when you're done, you can just cut the zip tie off and put your tire back on. And to do the rear wheel, it's the same principle. I put the zip tie on the stay that doesn't have the brakes on it. So if I have seat stay brakes, I put it on the chain stay, and vice versa. Here I'm showing you how I would do it with the tire on. Although if it had a really bad hop in it, I would take the tire off to do it. It's just a lot easier to get it straight. Cut the zip tie a little bit longer and then move it into position. If you want to learn more about the proper way to true a rim, I go into great detail in my truing wheels video, which is exactly the same technique I use here. If you want to check out that video, there'll be a link on the screen right now, or I'll put a link in the description. And that about wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button and I'll keep these videos coming. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, you can go ahead and leave me a comment below, or you can send me a message. Thanks.